Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to say let's ignore the appearance right now just because we're looking a little bit rough, but I promise it does get better at the end, okay? So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to do eyeliner for hooded eyelids. And this has been a struggle for me for years. And recently, I finally found a way that I personally like how my eyeliner looks, doesn't ruin my eyes, and it's just 10 out of 10 all around. So I thought I would share it with you guys. If any of you guys are struggling, you guys can learn something from this, maybe try it and let me know what you think, because I know I love it. So I want to know after this video if you guys love it. So if you guys decide to try it, you can comment down below, let me know. And yeah, so before we get started with this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I mean, because it helps me. It lets me know what you guys like, what you don't like. And don't forget to comment if you guys learned something from this video. And don't forget to subscribe. It will mean so much to me if you guys did. And if you guys are subscribed, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alrighty, so to get started, you're gonna need a eyeliner of some sort. It can be a felt tip, a liquid liner, or even a gel liner. I'm personally using a gel liner, but any liner will do. You're gonna just get, if you're using a liner, I mean gel liner, I'm just using a nice eyeliner brush from Morphe. I like the little angle on it just because it helps me form the line better. So you guys are gonna take some of that onto the top of it like that. I like to do little at a time just because in the past I've gone overboard, so it wasn't a good thing. So little at a time, like I just covered you could see that. I just covered half of the brush with liner and try to make it as thin as possible, just because the thinner the better, because you'll be able to get more precise with it. So the way I do this, I try to go as close to my lash line as possible, but I don't go all the way. I start halfway. So I start from here and just drag it on slowly. Really take your time with this because you really don't want to make the line thick, because then that will defeat the purpose of the way I'm gonna teach you guys. So really try to go all the way. Make the line as thin as possible, like that. And then once you get to the corner, you can probably make it a little bit thicker. It'll help bring out the wing like that versus keeping it straight. So yeah, okay. So the way I have it is just as so. It looks like I even have a little wing towards the end. After this, you're gonna just make sure all the empty gaps on the bottom are filled. So just give me 1 second, let me do that. Okay, so right now, all we have right now is just a nice thin line, very close to your lash line, and just all filled in and everything like that. Hold on, let me get it filled in. Alrighty, so if you need to grab more, just grab some more eyeliner. After that, you're going to start to create the little line angled towards the tail of your brow, towards the end of there. That's usually what I use for point of reference, just because you don't want it dragging straight or down, just because then that will bring your eye down. So try to line it up with the point right here. Okay. Alrighty, and there you go. I don't usually go that far. Like, that's usually the length I like to have my wing, just because I personally don't like the longer wing. But if you guys do, just go, by all means, make the wing as long as you guys prefer to have it. So then once you have the line down, you're gonna just grab the eye and then try to connect it back with the line you already created previously, like that. even it out. You gotta try evening it out because then it'll look all crazy if you don't. So just give me a second while I do that. Okay, so from here, this is pretty much the base of it. You're already like 95% done. I try to blend the top of it a little bit more with the eyeline, the lash line of my eye, just so it seems more seamless and natural. I personally like to do this just because I feel like it'll look weird if you don't. So, but if you guys already got it good from the start, applause to you and just keep it there. But if you don't, by all means just go back and just adjust it to your eye again. But yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it. The eyeliner is complete on this eye. The goal of this is to try to keep it as thin as possible, just so it doesn't transfer up to your top lid. Now the real struggle is to see if I can get this to match the other eye. See, you always go too overhanded with one eye. But okay, this is perfect learning experience. So if you accidentally go a little too thick on the wing, I personally like to take a little concealer brush, if you guys have it. This is only if you've already done your foundation already, but I like to take the smallest, especially if you're using Tarte Shape Tape, take the smallest drop of it. I usually take it from here because I know I won't go too heavy-handed with that. And even with that, just drop it on your hand as a palette and just carve out the extra liner that you don't want. And then I tend to just wipe it off because after that the concealer does get mixed in with the liner and then it comes out black. And then if you end up going back with that, then your whole face is ruined. So alrighty, just grab a little bit more of the concealer and just go back and carve out. And just continue that process until you have it to the size you want it to. Let me just continue that and I'll be right back. Alrighty, sorry guys, I just had to take a minute to even out the eyes. And that's pretty much how I do my eyeliner, just because I feel like it's simple, easy, and I haven't had a problem with any transfer on top of my eyelid, and it looks really, really pretty on my eyes. I'll be back. We're gonna wrap up this video, but first I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back to close it out. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay guys, I am back with the rest of my makeup on. I kept it a little more on the natural side today. Alrighty, so before I forget to mention, if you guys want to have nice longevity of your eyeliner, I would recommend setting it with some black eyeshadow. That will help, one, darken the color a lot more, making it really bold and out there. Two, it will help keep it lasting a lot much longer than it would normally. So that is just an extra tip before I forget to tell you guys. So, and with that, I guess I have nothing else to say about eyeliner, and that means we have reached the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys thought I did a good job explaining it, or even if you guys tried it. Let me know how you guys did and if it came out well. I'm so happy if this will even help out one person. So please let me know down in the comments. And if you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up. Trust me guys, it helps me out so much, just so I can know what you guys like and what you guys want to see. And please don't forget to subscribe. It will, again, mean so much to me if you guys did, and join along in the journey that we have going on. And don't forget to press the notification bell. That is next to the subscribe button, so you guys can get notified when I upload. And I guess that is it. I love you guys. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and just know I'm praying for all of you guys. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.